Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to write how we are going to learn how to write equations. How will you construct an equation if they are given in words? So the first question here says it's 18 more than the number n is 125. What is the value of n? So what does this mean? So step by step, we're going to write down things. That's 18 more than the number n. So we have the number n, all right? We have the number n, and 18 more than the number n. More means we need to add 18 to that number. So 18 more than the number n is equal to 125. What is the value of n? Now it's simple. We have constructed an equation. We can simply find the value of n. So n is equal to 125 minus 18. 125 minus 18, that's equal to 107. So that's the value of n. Okay, let's see if we can answer question number 2. Question number 2 here says 20 is 7 less than twice the number w. What is the value of w? So you can try it yourself, pause the video, and you can check out the answers afterwards. So here you have 20 is 7 less than twice the number w. So you have 20 is, that means equal to, 7 is less than something. So what is that something? That is twice the number w. So twice the number w, and 7 is less than that. So minus 7. So we have constructed an expression. That's an equation. And now we are going to solve for the variable w. So we have 20 plus 7, that is 27, is equal to 2w, and w is equal to 27 divided by 2. 27 divided by 2, that's equal to w, and that's equal to 13.5. That's your answer, 13.5. Okay, let's see if we can answer question number 3. 9 less than twice x is 3 more than x. What is the value of x? So now how are we going to construct an equation for this? So it says 9 less than something. So there's 9 less than something. That is, 9 is getting subtracted from something. Less than twice x. So we have to write twice x. Is 3 more than x is equal to 3 more than x. 3 is more than something. So that is x. And 3 is more. That means you need to add 3. Now we have constructed an equation. We are going to solve for x. So we have 2x, and when I bring this x this side, we have 2x minus x. That will become x is equal to, bring 9 this side. That means 3 plus 9 will give you 12. That's it. That's your answer in one step. Finished. Okay, let's see if we can answer question number 4. Question number 4 says 8 less than 4 times the number c is 20. What is the value of c? So you have 8 less than something. So I'm going to write that down. 8 is less than something. That something is 4 times the number c. That's it. 4 times the number c is equal to 20. That's it. You've constructed an equation. And now we are just going to solve for c. So 4c is equal to 20 plus 8. When you move on 8 the other side, that's 4c is equal to 28. So c is equal to 28 divided by 4. That's equal to 7. Done. Okay, let's see if we can answer question number 5. The sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is 296. What is the greatest of the 4 consecutive odd integers? So now we don't know So we are going to let something, that is let n be the smallest of the 4 consecutive odd integers. That means the smallest one, smallest of 4 consecutive odd integers. Alright, so now we are going to construct an equation. The sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is 296. So we're going to write down n, that is our first integer. Then you have n plus 2, then you have n plus 4, then you can write down n plus 6 is equal to 296. Yes, hi Plain, PLAN is a t-shirt clip. How are you? Here we have n as the smallest of 4 consecutive integers. So we have written 4 integers, that's n plus 2, n plus 4, and n plus 6, that are 4 consecutive odd integers, which is equal to 296. That's given to you. What is the greatest of 4 consecutive odd integers? You have to find out. So let's add them up all together. So how many n's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 n's. So I'm going to write that down. 4n plus 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12 is equal to 296. 4n is equal to 296 minus 12, that gives you 284. So n is equal to 284 divided by 471. So you have n is equal to 7. The greatest of the 4 consecutive odd integers is n plus 6. So we're going to substitute back in that. So the greatest one is 71 plus 6. 71 plus 6, that gives you 77. That's your answer. Okay, let's see what you have next. That's the sum of 3/4 of the number a and 24 is -9. What is the value of a? So here again you are going to construct an equation that's really simple. Sum of 3/4 of the number a, that means 3/4 of the number a plus 24 is equal to -9. Simple. Now I'm going to solve for a. Yes, 3/4 of a is equal to -9, -24 will give you -33. So you have a is equal to -33 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. So I'm going to write that down for you. That's 3 times 11. That's equal to -44, and that's your option A. Okay, so we have question number 7. A number g is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by half. The result is 8 more than twice the number g. So you have been given 4 choices. You can try it yourself. So let's form an equation for this. A number g is decreased by 23. Okay, so that's subtracted. G is decreased by 23 and then multiplied by half. After that it is multiplied by half. The result is 8 more than twice the number g. That means twice the number g and 8 more than twice of g. That's it. We have constructed an equation, and now you can go and solve for that. So we have g minus 23 is equal to half. When I'm sending the other side, that becomes 4g plus 16. Now it's easier for me to solve for g. That's 4. I have 4g minus g, that will give me 3g. All right, so or else what I can, the result is 8 more than twice the number g. That's exactly right. Okay, so we have 4g plus 16. So when I bring it the other side, okay, let me bring the constants one side and the g is one side. So g minus 4g will give me minus 3g, and 16 plus 23 will give me 39. So I have g is equal to 39 divided by minus 3. That's 3 ones, 3 threes, 13, and g is negative 13. That's your option A. Okay, let's solve for the last question. That is, the quotient of P and Q is 12 less than 3 times the sum of P and Q. Which of the following equations represent the statement above? Oh, that's super simple. The quotient always means division. That means P over Q. So we have P over Q is equal to 12 less than something. So that's negative 12 less than something. 3 times the sum of P and Q. So you have 3 times the sum of, sum means addition, that's P plus Q. And where's that option? That's option C. P over Q is equal to 3 times P plus Q minus 12. Alright guys, if at all you like this session, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share it with your friends. Do comment it in the comment box. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.